Welcome to the Rainforest Aerial Tram.
The Pacific Rainforest Aerial Tram Complex constitutes a conservation and ecotourism park that protects 90 hectares of dry to rainy transition forest. Because of the special weather conditions of this area, its temperature, amount of rain, and humidity, this region is one of the least explored locally, despite the fact that it is one of the most biologically diverse in the world. The Pacific Rainforest Aerial Tram Park is a natural refuge for many animal and plant species. The protected forest strongly evidences the regeneration process and the quality of the vegetation and wildlife that our conservation efforts have made possible. Interaction with the forest allows visitors not only to become sensitive towards conservation, but also to understand biological processes such as symbiosis, and to witness the wonder of neotropical biodiversity. The park was designed with a commitment to conservation and to have a minimum impact over the land. It is one of the best examples of ecologically sustainable tourism. The aerial tram structure itself was recently built with state-of-the-art technology based on years of experience with our Atlantic Aerial Tram Complex, the first internationally recognized ecotourism park and sister park to the Pacific Aerial Tram Complex. It can handle more than 150 visitors per hour at a speed of 3.6 kilometers per hour. The gondolas span a distance of 1,800 meters, where 9 towers stand 91 to 152 meters from each other. Their construction demanded great efforts, since all materials were brought to the site by helicopter to avoid building a road that would have caused erosion. Since forest density posed a special challenge to the pilots, our engineers designed cable guides more than 20 meters long to guide the towers from the air without damaging the surrounding forest area. The dry to rainy transition tropical forest is truly a miracle, and the aerial tram ride gives you the opportunity to enjoy it and experience this incredible natural wealth from up close. On board our gondolas, visitors will enjoy a fresh breeze and the view of a beautiful waterfall. They will also see a large variety of trees that thrive under the protection of our private reserve, and, from the highest point of the ride, the Gulf of Nicoya and Central Pacific coastline in the distance. Visitors will enjoy one of the world's richest habitats while learning about the importance of the forest, the different levels and reliefs of the soil, and how each species lives in harmony through particular forms of life to produce a community. Especially fascinating is how plants initiate their life cycle at the forest canopy by stretching their roots down to the forest floor to obtain nutrients indispensable to their survival, which are found only in limited quantity at the top. The Tropy tour, which combines the experience of the aerial tram with the adventure of the canopy tour, is ideal for the extreme adventure seeker. You first take the aerial tram to the top of the mountain and then descend flying through 15 platforms and 10 cables, some 200 meters in length over the rainforest. You complete the experience with a promenade through the medicinal plant gardens. This tour enables you to admire nature in a truly unique way, since you will be able to walk across what we regard an open window to a world of the most exotic butterflies. Bromeliads and heliconia are the most representative floral species of the ecosystems. As you take the opportunity to admire them from up close, you can see in the terrariums several species of snakes common to this green paradise known as Costa Rica. Be alert! You are about to start an unforgettable experience that will help you understand better the complexity of biological diversity and how important our forests are to the survival of future generations. Nature might be particularly generous to you and put a monkey, an exotic bird such as a toucan or macaw, a peculiar bat, a coati, a small ant, or millions of plant species before your eyes as samples of what a forest such as ours has to offer. Thanks to the Tourist Sustainability Certificate, an exclusive distinction awarded to companies with strong sustainability and conservation policies, you can be sure that by visiting our parks, you will be participating in responsible tourism. We have years of experience in this field during which we have accrued great knowledge that has helped us to improve our high standard of quality and service. We ensure your safety by complying with the highest legal standards. We use certified rescue equipment, implement broad rescue training programs, and provide paramedical assistance. This is what any visitor would expect from a professional organization such as Rainforest Aerial Trams. Our canopy tour has been certified for safety by the Association for Challenge Course Technology in compliance with all standards required for adventure attractions.
Through its Ministry of Environment, Energy and Telecommunications, the government of Costa Rica has declared this a national interest park, and for its preservation of 90 hectares of transition rainforest, it has been awarded the ecological flag.
There is parking and internal security at the Pacific Rainforest Aerial Tram Park. We also have long pathways in excellent condition for visitors to explore the forest at ground level before boarding the gondola that will lift them up to the treetop height. Our facilities include spacious bathrooms, a very well-stocked gift shop, a cafeteria, and ample green areas that make them a comfortable place for everybody and every occasion. By visiting us, you are supporting an environmental education program in Costa Rican elementary and middle schools. Students come to our park for an educational visit in exchange for their efforts to help with their local communities in conservation activities such as garbage collection, tree planting, and recycling programs, among others. The Pacific Rainforest Aerial Tram experience is smoke-free. We appreciate your cooperation by not smoking inside the park. We offer you another unique experience in our country, the first aerial tram in the world that was installed over a rainforest. It is located in Costa Rica's Caribbean seaboard, some 5.3 kilometers past the Sucio River on Route 32 towards Limon. Now we invite you to follow one of our specialized guides who are, we're proud to say, the best and most expert at discovering the mysteries of the tropical forest. Prepare yourself to experience the tropical forest with all your senses in a manner that you would never have imagined. Thanks for your visit, and welcome to the Neotropical region, one of the most dynamic and important communities in the entire world.